Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we are at Brookmere Winery. According to their website and print literature, Brookmere Winery and Vineyard is also a bed and breakfast as well as a wedding venue. Local artists and pottery makers also have their wares available for purchase for a unique gift for that special someone. At the time of this video, the winery was open Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Each month, a local chef features mouthwatering recipes made with Brookmere wines that you can purchase to give your palate a culinary delight. Many events are done throughout the year, so check their website for dates and times. Thank you for being with me here today at Brookmere Winery. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and ring that bell while you're at it. And remember, be healthy and keep on cooking.